Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bikeroo seat is probably one of the most comfortable and ergonomic bike seats you can find. If you're tired of the pain and discomfort that comes with long rides, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Bikeroo seat, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to say goodbye to saddle soreness and hello to enjoyable cycling experiences. Number 5. Bikeroo Bike Seat Cushion, Universal Comfort. Tired of uncomfortable bike seats? This Bikeroo seat cushion is designed to upgrade your existing saddle. It provides thick padding to protect your sit bones and reduce shock, so you can ride longer and farther. Installation is a breeze. You don't need any special tools. Just slip it over your seat, cinch it closed with the toggle, and tie the straps. The shiny side goes outwards, with the anti-slip surface facing inside. Make sure you measure your saddle to select the right size. There are large, XL, and narrow options available. Each size adds about an inch of height to your seat, so choose the one that fits your needs. Whether you have a standard, wide, or extra-wide seat, there's a Bikeroo cover for you. The narrow style is perfect for standard seats, while the wide style fits comfort and cruiser saddles. Both models work with or without center cutaways. These seat covers are built to withstand heavy usage. The fabric and padding are chosen for their durability. The thick gel cushioning conforms to your shape while supporting your weight, ensuring a comfortable ride. No matter your riding style, this cover is designed for you. Customize your stationary bike for spin class or make your commute more enjoyable. The non-slip surface keeps it in place, providing comfort where you need it most. What we like. This seat cover features a thick gel padding for maximum comfort. It's also incredibly easy to install, so you can upgrade your ride quickly. The non-slip surface keeps it securely in place. If you are looking for an easy and affordable way to enhance your existing bike seat, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The cover fits the seat exactly front to back. The gel is comfy. It adds an inch to the machine height, but you can readjust the seat height if you need to. Number 4. Bikeroo Wide Cruiser Saddle, Comfort Seat. This Bikeroo saddle is designed to maximize support during your ride, no matter where you go. The firm cushioning and suspension systems are designed for upright riding positions, perfect for heavier and senior riders. Bikeroo bicycle seats are constructed to hold up to heavy, regular usage. Whether you're commuting or in a spin class, the reliability of this saddle will be the last thing on your mind. Installation is easy with the included tools. Everything you need to attach it to your bike is included: hex keys, a wrench, a seat adapter, and easy-to-follow instructions. The saddle is designed for a universal fit. It fits most bikes from Peloton, NordicTrack, Trek, Giant, Cannondale, and more. This seat is a great upgrade for your bike. The memory foam molds to your shape while remaining supportive. The steel springs and elastomer suspension provide a comfortable ride. The high-quality faux leather makes it perfect for vegans. The universal mount ensures that it will fit almost any bike. Whether it's a city, mountain, commuter, e-bike, or road bike, it's a great choice. Change out your old seat for an upgraded, comfortable ride. Use the elastomer suspension system for stationary rides. Steel springs work better for rough terrain. Choose the right suspension for your needs. What we like. This saddle uses memory foam that molds to your shape, providing personalized comfort. It also features a steel spring suspension for a smoother ride. The universal fit makes it compatible with a wide range of bikes. If you like long rides and value comfort and durability, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The seat is very comfortable. The seat is well made and sturdy. It was easy to install. Number 3. Bikeroo Extra Wide Replacement Saddle. Tired of uncomfortable bike rides? This saddle is designed to maximize your comfort, no matter where you go. The cushioning and suspension systems are engineered for performance, ideal for upright and senior riders. This seat is constructed to withstand heavy, regular use. Whether you're commuting or in a spin class, the reliability of it will be the last thing on your mind. You can count on it for every ride. Setting up this saddle is a breeze with the included tools. Everything you need is in the box: hex keys, a wrench, a seat adapter, and easy-to-follow instructions. Get ready to ride in minutes. This saddle fits most bikes, including Peloton, NordicTrack, and many more. The standardized design ensures a perfect fit for your city, mountain, commuter, e-bike, or road bike. It's a versatile choice. The memory foam cushion molds to your body, providing excellent support. It features steel springs or elastomer suspension for a smooth ride. Plus, the high-quality faux leather is vegan-friendly. The indoor model is perfect for stationary rides, while the outdoor model handles rough terrain. The hybrid model is versatile for various bike types. Select the one that fits your needs. What we like. This extra-wide saddle maximizes comfort with its supportive memory foam. It's also made with high-quality, vegan-friendly materials. The universal mount ensures it fits most bikes. If you are a senior rider or someone who prioritizes comfort and ethical choices, this is the perfect seat for you. What people say. The seat is very comfortable. This is a proper bicycle seat or saddle with rear springs for added shock absorption. This seat has roughly 9 inches of usable width and 9 inches of usable length for your booty and has a nice thick cushion and recoil springs that can be adjusted. Number 2. Domain Bike Seat Cushion for Recumbent Bike. This seat cushion is designed to improve your endurance. It reduces back pain, allowing you to focus on your workout. With this cushion, you can ride or row longer and more comfortably. It fits Concept 2 rowing machines and recumbent bikes. This extra-wide cushion provides a comfortable experience. It's perfect for anyone needing extra padding. This gel bike seat cover keeps you cool during workouts. It regulates temperature, making it ideal for long rides or rows. You'll stay comfortable throughout your exercise. The non-slip underside keeps the cushion in place. You won't have to worry about slipping around. Enjoy a steady and comfortable exercise experience. This recumbent exercise bike cushion is crafted for durability. It's a reliable and long-lasting solution. It's perfect for anyone seeking a comfortable bike seat cushion. What we like. This seat cushion is specifically designed for recumbent bikes, offering a comfortable gel padding. It also features non-slip technology to keep you secure during your workout. If you have a recumbent bike and want to enhance your comfort and endurance, consider this. What people say. It sits on top of the foam seat and really does not move, straps not needed. The cushion is the appropriate size if shaped differently from my seat, however, the drawstring draws tight to make the cushion stay put and not move around. It was much more comfortable to sit on than the seat itself. It also provided just enough additional elevation to put my legs in a more comfortable position. Number 1. Bikeroo Narrow Nose Road Bike Saddle. This saddle is designed for your comfort. It supports your sit bones, making long rides a breeze. You'll feel the difference on every journey. The narrow nose design allows for a greater range of motion, reducing chafing. The center cutout evenly distributes weight, promoting a better posture. This design enhances your overall riding experience. With premium memory foam padding and responsive suspension, this seat prevents numbness. You can ride for longer periods without discomfort. It's designed to keep you comfortable on the road. This saddle is easy to install on any standard bike post. It comes with mounting tools and a rainproof cover. Replacing your old seat is simple and convenient. Our team is always ready to assist you with any questions. We are here to ensure your customer journey is smooth. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This saddle's ergonomic design reduces chafing and enhances comfort. It also features a universal mount for easy installation. If you like road biking and want to ride longer without soreness, you should consider this. What people say. It was super easy to put on. I took off their post clamp and used the one that came with the bike. I find that this saddle provides a great deal of flexibility for moving around when trying to find a comfortable position. It's an inch wider than my old saddle, which provides a more comfortable fit for my sits bones and gives me room to adjust position slightly from side to side, which seems to be just enough room to find a comfortable spot again if I start to fatigue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.